Hello friends, my name is Manmat Biradar and today we are going to have a very good discussion on the subject that the strangest secret of the world, the strangest secret in the world. It is a video audio that is recorded in the late 1950s, or you can say it is in 1950. This is the first motivational and very basic secret telling audio which is recorded by Earl Nightingale. In this video, this is a very important video as he has told the basic knowledge about the motivational and the basic knowledge of the mindset of the men, how the mind works. It is very important. He has told very different things in this video, and what he has told we have to discuss one by one. First, in the starting of this video, he tells that men don't think, we don't think. Men means the people don't think so much about what they are doing, where they are going, what they are going to achieve in their life. They don't think like that. See, he says men who start at the age of their 25, at the end of their life, the survey was made, and in the 100 out of 100 people, only one will be rich, whole four will be financially independent, five will be still working, and 54 will be broke. Like that, the average of the people who are successful in their life. So, out of 100, only 5%, only 5 people are financially free. So, he tells that why it is so happening, why it is so happening. So, in the second para, he says success. What is success? He says 5% people only achieve success. And what is success? He tells the progressive realization of a worthy idea. It is success. So he gives a very good example. He says that everybody should keep a goal, and everybody should work towards the goal, achieving that goal. He gives example of a harbor in a sea. If he says if the harbor is having no destination and no anything, so the ship will be going anywhere. So the same way our life is also there. We should put some goal to achieve whatever we want. See, success is anything that we decide and ourselves. Success can be anything. A teacher could be successful in his life by teaching his students the best way. So success can be anything. So like that, he says the goal is very important thing, and the goal should be seeded in our mind. Thus, he gives the example, what you sow, you will reap. That it means, see, you take a example of a farmer, and farmer, anything if we sow in the soil, we will get the same result, same crop. If I am sowing the corn crop, then I am getting the result of corn only. Against that versus that, if I am sowing the poison, he tells about the nightshade. Nightshade is also a poisonous crop. So he tells the abundance of the soil is that whatever you sow, you will get that the same thing. You will reap the same thing in abundance. Likewise, mind is like the same thing. He tells our mind is more than fertile than a land, because our mind is so important, we don't care about that. He tells that we don't care because it has a reason, because we have got the mind freely, we have got our relations freely. So if our mind was given to us with a large payment, with large money, then we would be taken care of this mind. So he tells it is very, we are getting the mind in free, that is why we are not using it very proper way. And that is why he tells, what you sow you will reap. In the fourth para, he says thoughts. We are the sum total of our thoughts. Whatever we are thinking today, we will become tomorrow. That is very simple idea. And the simple idea is cannot be digestible, that he says like that. So as you believe, so shall it be done and unto you. Whatever you are believing today, you are getting it in the future. That is but sure. So also he says imagination is the key. Of course, imagine whatever you want in life, you imagine it today. See, it is very important. Maybe you are also maybe resonating what I am saying. See, because imagination is the key. Whatever I am imagining in my mind, that may be possible in some months, some years to come. So that is important. That is about thoughts. So about thoughts, he is saying these three principles, those are very important. Number five principles. He is talking about 5 principles. You will become what you think about. See, this is very important. What I am thinking today, I am becoming tomorrow or next day, next year, whatever. Remember the word imagination. Very important. Imagination. We should imagine whatever we are going to become. Third, courage. Concentrate daily on your courage, on goal. Keep courage to concentrate on your goals. Write your goals on a paper. Write your goals on in the diary, and focus daily on that. Save 10% of every dollar you earn. In our day-to-day life, whatever we are earning, we should save 10% for our future. And fifth, action. Ideas are worthless unless we work on them. See, I am getting many more ideas, but I am not acting on them. I am not taking action on my ideas. So there is zero use of these ideas. So there is no use at all. So that is very important. Action are more important actually than ideas. So that is also important. Then he, in the next session, next video, he talks about action point. He tells, write your goals. Writing your goals is very important, as day to day, if you are writing your goals on a paper, in a diary, then it is likely to get the positive result. Very much there are chances that you will be succeed whatever you are writing in the paper. See, because you are writing means you are giving action to your mind. That is very important. And secondly, get it on a card. See, he tells about a card. Keep a card, whatever you want in next month, next year, next 6 months, whatever you put the target, ask and it shall be given to you. So you put a target on the paper and on a card, write it, the goal on your card, you will definitely achieve the results. Secondly, seek and you shall find it. Seek and you shall find it. Knock and it shall be opened unto you. Everything that you want in your life, that you should go in that direction. So keep the seed in your mind that I am going to have this in 6 months, in 3 months, whatever it. You write it on the goal card and you will achieve. That is but definite. In the last session, he says about 6 important points. He says, set yourself a definite goal. You write your goal, set your goal, you write a timeline on it. Actually, in 6 months, in 4 months, in 1 year, I am going to achieve this goal. You write it down. Secondly, he tells about quit running yourself down. And this is very important. Many times what happens, we blame ourselves. Many times we blame, sometimes some years ago in our childhood something has happened. Due to that we don't believe that we can do it. So many times we hold ourselves back, and that is the reason he tells, quit running yourself down. Don't actually make down yourself. That is very important. See, every person, each and every person has been awarded by God with some special quality. So that is very important. Actually, the point he tells about, stop thinking of all the reasons why you cannot be successful. Think of all the reasons you can. This is very important. See, there are many more reasons that you cannot do it, but he tells that stop thinking about that. Think about the reasons why you can become successful. Concentrate on positive things. The fourth point, track the ideas back to your childhood on why you feel you cannot be successful. Many times in our childhood we have been told that you cannot do this. So many times this wrong feeding has been given to us, and it is in our mind that we cannot do this. So please remove that. It is very important, because see, our childhood was different. We grow, we take knowledge, and we should change our mindset also. That is very important. And hence he tells that there is no reason that you cannot be successful. So at the fifth point, he change the image you have of yourself by writing a description of who had like to be. Actually, you can become whatever you want if you change the image in yourself. You are the only enemy of yourself, and nobody is there to stop in the outer world. That is very important. You can become anybody, anything, you can achieve anything, whatever you want in your life. But the thing is only that you are the only person that are limiting to yourself. That first belief you have to correct it, and the image about yourself, you have to improve the image in yourself. So that is very important point. The sixth is act the part of successful person you have decided to become. That is very important. Act the part of successful person. Whatever person you want to become, act the part. Actually, you we can say you just walk like that. You talk like that. You just behave the person who you want to become, and one day you will become that. So these are very strong principles. Actually, the Earl Nightingale talks about. It is a very important video. Everybody should learn this. Everybody should listen this. Whenever I started to listen this, I have changed my life 360 degree. Truly believe me, I have changed my life. So it is very important that we should change first our mindset that we can do it, and we should sow the thoughts whatever we want, and whatever we sow we will reap that. So these are the very strong principles. So thank you for watching this video, friends. Please subscribe my channel, and thank you.